Hello guys, Lokii here. So today, requested by one of my viewers, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to create a thumbnail. If you go on my channel, oh dear, I'm logged into a different channel, but right, this is Sam/Fuego's channel. Yeah, he's done thumbnails. He does his thumbnails on the editor, I think, or Canva. Actually, yeah, I think he does his on Canva. Anyway, my channel, I've done a thumbnail, and I'm going to be doing a YouTube mansion tour, today, and that'll be uploaded with the thumbnail that I'm going to do in this tutorial. So, first of all, I use Canva.com for my thumbnails. The link will be in the description. That's the thumbnail that I created for the YouTube house tour. We have a bigger mansion, so that's what the video is going to be on. And that's a thumbnail that Sam's doing now. Yeah, so you see we've done many creative things on here. So what we're going to do first of all is we're going to go on more. First of all, you've got to log in to whatever you want. Go on more, go down, and here, social media and email headers. Go on YouTube thumbnail. That will load the dimensions of it, and you can add a background. So what you do, that's uploads. There's a background there that I used on the thing. So on the internet, you search background for YouTube thumbnail. You can, if you want, you can put a colour in. I just do that and find one I like. So there's the one I used on the other thumbnail. I'm going to use, or on this one, I think, I don't know. I do a lot of looking for thumbnails, like backgrounds, in my spare time if I don't know what one to do, but I haven't done any looking for one now. So I think I'm going to go with this one. Now, if you save image as, put that in, that's downloaded, go back to the YouTube thumbnail thing, upload images, find your image that you downloaded, put that in, then once it's loaded, here on the right hand side, that will disappear as well. Oh, it's loaded, okay, and move it down to the corner of the screen and drag that to the other corner. There you go, and that's your background then. So if you want to add your Roblox character in the background of the thumbnail, what you do is you go on Roblox, you go on your profile, you wait for that to load, you'll want it on 3D so it stays still, save image as, you save that, and it will download, then you go back to the YouTube thumbnail, upload your images, and you click your Roblox character. I've already got my Roblox character in, so I'm going to click that one, and I choose where I want to put it. So in this video, I think I'm going to put it there, because for this video I'm going to have Sam joining me. So what I'm going to do is I'm also going to download his character. I already have it downloaded, but I want to show you again how to download the character. You right click, save image, and you save it in there, and then you'll go upload your own images, and you'll click the character, I've already got it downloaded again, so click here, put Sam's character in. There we go. If you want, say, a YouTube logo, you're going to have to find one that's transparent. I've got two different ones that look transparent on the website but aren't actually transparent. To delete things, you click on the image and you press the bin. There's this one that I have got that's transparent and it leaves the background in the back of the thing. So I'm going to put either side of that one. For text, I use a website that I'll link in the description. I will also go on there in a minute because I need some text. So I'm just going to put our names underneath our characters, like that. Yep, there. So the website I use, which will also be in the description, is called flamingtext.com. There we go, flamingtext.com. This website will be in the link below in the description. So then you can choose whichever one you want in your thing. I think I'm going to do. I'm gonna do blue steel. You can go along and get different ones. Doesn't matter what you click, just which one. Then you can edit this text, and I'm going to put YouTuber mansion. Oh, spell that one wrong. Mansion tour. There we go. So you've got that there. Don't worry about that. I'll just add that to dictionary. There we go. So you can also change the font of it. So like that one, or that one. I try and get a font that is easy to read. So maybe something like this one. That's quite easy to read. So I'm going to do that one. If you go logo, you can change what colour it is if you want. It's not actually. Oh yeah, okay. I feel like I'll kind of want a red because it's YouTuber. Oh no, I want bright red. Okay. Dear, let me find one of these. Orange. Okay, that's gonna be orange. Okay, it's gonna be orange because I don't know. Oh, the shine color is how it shines. The actual color is gonna be orange. You can change this to be like that, or yeah, I'm gonna go with that one. Shadow, you can add a shadow if you want to. I don't usually add a shadow, but you can add whichever one you want. I'm gonna do none. Background, you want it transparent if you want to see the background in the back of the behind the wording. And yeah, you want it on PNG. So then you go next, and you download that. That will download. Then you go back to YouTube, Canva thumbnail thing, and you can upload image. You can go. It'll be in downloads. Here. There it is. Wait for it to download. When it's downloaded, I can insert it in, and I'll insert it probably at the bottom here. There. And that's how I do my thumbnails. And then basically what you do is you click download. Download PNG. It will download it for you. Yep, once it's downloaded, it'll download, and it should be in your downloads somewhere. There it is, down there. So, and that will also save if you go to here and cross that off, refresh that, should save. It will save here. You can also edit the thing, so I'll do it. YouTuber Mansion Tour thumbnail, and the preview should come up as the thumbnail, like this one did eventually. And then what you can do is that will also save. You can click custom thumbnail in the YouTube before it's fully uploaded, or go in video manager, edit, custom thumbnail at the bottom, and then insert that one. But before you do anything like that, you need to verify your account. So if I go here, yep, here's everybody's things. You need to go in Creator Studio. Oh, and okay, it's not functionally, yeah, no, that is not working. So basically what you do is go in there, click verify, and basically do what it says. You have to put your phone number in, you need to put text or call me with automated voice. I usually use text, it'll text you a code. You've got to insert that code, and then it's verified, and then you can put the thumbnails on. So, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. See you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Hope you enjoyed, and all my friends' channel links will be in the description. Bye!